live and it says, hey, there you are. Hi, Shel.
Hi, Peg.
Let's try this for a second time today.
Yeah, hopefully we're not really live. This is supposed
Yeah.
to be pre-recorded live.
Well,
Maybe I should have a logged in the channel just to make sure.
I guess I should probably look on my phone and see what's going on over on YouTube, but that was weird. It shouldn't have because, it wasn't scheduled until the 14th, so that shouldn't have happened. No, I don't see any videos, so I think
Okay,
we're
good,
safe
good. All
now.
right, I think we're safe.
Safe now. All right.
Anyway, it is week 2 of the October weekly challenge in Art Joy of Sharing over in our Facebook art group. That's what we're doing this month in October. We're just doing some week-long challenges. There's a slide, there's steps. We are doing a video for each step. And then on the last day of that week, we will post the whole video for you to see all together. Like you do. You can see watch the whole video and see how we did it if you want to.
If you want
So
to.
week 2 is all about Latino folk art. Last week we did American folk art. It is Hispanic Heritage Week. I mean, not week, but month right now. And of course, also in October, there's a really big popular holiday that people equate with Halloween, but it is not Halloween. It's called Dia de los Muertos, and it is the Day of the Dead, or the day to honor our ancestors, people who have passed. There's lots of really interesting traditions that go with that, including lots of folk art, which features skeletons and things like that, and bright orange marigolds and interesting stuff. So switching from kind of the subdued colors of American folk art over to bright, cheerful, colorful, fun colors of more of the Latin countries folk art. That's what we're doing this week. So we're just going to do our steps, and you can follow along as you want to, either by doing a step a day, like we suggest, so that you have a lot of time to reflect what you're doing, or you can just do it all together as one big challenge all in one day if you want to as well. First step for this week is to start with collage papers. If you guys remember last week, I was saying that I was just going to use some unused pages in some of these books from previous years for our art journaling challenges that we've had. If I for some reason didn't make a page that day for whatever reason, I might have a blank page, and I'm just going to use this blank page out of this one because it already has some colors on it that match our colors for the challenge this week, which are jungle green and pumpkin orange. Like I was talking about for Dia de los Muertos, a very popular color is marigold orange, and maybe I should have called it that and made it a little bit more yellow, but it's pumpkin orange for October. So making a collage background, you put some papers on there, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to have something to put the paper on with, which would be either a matte medium or some type of glue or a glue stick. And I do not currently see the glue stick on my table.
So that's what I'm grabbing. I have some Elmer's Extreme here, and I've got let's see, I've got a hotel card here from my travels the last few weeks. So I'm going to use that to push things down. And I'm just going to get some collage down. This is step 1, is to start with collage papers. And you guys have seen enough of this that this should be nothing new to you, just putting some paper down.
Yeah, but you know what? Gluing paper down is fun. I've just got this random box here. I don't even know what all this stuff is, but I was looking for maybe some greens and some orangey colors, maybe out of this pile to see what I've got, and maybe some neutral colors. I don't even know what this stuff is. Oh, that's kind of interesting. It's got green and orange on it.
Yeah, I've got some of this real wispy paper, and I've got some, this is just like I don't know if that's tissue paper or what that is that has the green on it. I've got some book text.
Oh, those are fun.
Just an assortment of things here.
Yeah, that's what I have too. An assortment. I really don't even know what this is, just like stuff that was on my desk. I'm not even like going to stress about it. This challenge this month, this time in our life is all about not stressing about it.
Exactly.
We can't. We don't have the bandwidth to deal right now. So
Yeah.
this is just stuff on my desk, literally stuff on my desk.
I was telling Shel about my trip this last week and what I encountered, and she was commiserating with me. It's like, yeah. It's been fun, folks. I'll tell you, it's been fun.
I mean, this background is already fun. This is like a gel printed background of some sort. I don't know, but I'm
I
going to
like
mellow
that
it out a
background.
little bit.
That's really cool, and it's got their colors in it.
Yeah, that's the reason I picked it. But I need to mellow it out a little bit because it's maybe just a little bit too much. Can it be too much? I don't know.
Not really. And you're going to layer other stuff on top of it, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
So are you basically telling me that you're done with step one? Because I can, move on.
No, I'm not. I'm not
Okay.
even close to being done. I just glued my first piece of paperwork. Slow down, lady.
Okay.
I'm just saying that my background was already
Well,
pretty dang good.
to me, I don't have to have the whole page covered in collage. I don't. That's
No.
just me. I don't have to. I like white space. I'm good with white space. So, if you're not a collage person, you don't have to cover the whole background. I'm telling you.
In fact, it's fun to have a little bit of white space here and there. That's the reason that I'm putting on collage paper over this pretty fun background, is because I got to mellow it out a little bit. It's a little bit out of control, to be honest. So just, be creative, be mindful, know what you're doing.
What?
Not
Know
to
what
rush
I'm doing?
this. We're
Oh
not
boy,
doing.
that's asking a whole lot, Shel. Oh man.
Oh, this is really cool. Huh. I like that. Nope, I know exactly what it is, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on here.
So we are doing, if you are in the Facebook group, we are doing one step each day for the week. So this is week 2. So you will have seen an entire week already, one step at a time. And then on the final day of the week, the 7th day, we put the whole video up on our channel. So that will have all the steps and, the graphic, the whole thing. So if you want to wait and do it all at once, if you want to, move ahead and, it's kind of however you work. I kind of wanted to give people an opportunity to work in the fashion that they work in, and then also allow those people who feel intimidated by getting too much at once to just have a 15-minute play and create something. So, here we're doing a 15-minute play. We're doing one portion of this challenge for this week, the second week.
Yep.
So I hope that explains. Some people seem to be a bit confused because, we haven't been around. We haven't been explaining a whole lot. And, our lives have been really busy. Sorry about that. But we still wanted to share with you guys and help you be creative. So that's why we're doing what we're doing.
I think I just need another little piece of this interesting paper. I think this was made with, I remember doing this, styrofoam printing.
Oh, sure.
Yeah. Where I made a styrofoam plate and then used it.
Yep.
So.
That's fun.
Cool, look at it. Cool. It's cool. I like it. Anyway, that's enough collage. I mean, let me grab a baby wipe and just wipe down everything, make sure it's sealed. But other than that, I think
I need to dry that because my glue is still wet.
oh, okay.
Because,
I used a glue stick so that it could be dry pretty quick.
well, it will dry quick, but it's still a glue stick and it's still wet. So I was just using this is a book of my mother's. It's the Oxford Book of American Verse.
There you go.
And the pages are they're old and they're crumbly. Like me, old and crumbly. So they really need to be glued down on something. But I love the cover on this. You know, you can tell how old it is.
I was noticing as I was driving around that the other day to go to the grocery and stuff, that our library was having a library sale. And I meant to go over there and I just completely forgot. But I would like to grab a couple books to make journals out of. I really want to do that. Hopefully they would have some old books. I don't know what they would have, but I need to get over there and do that. All right.